Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Hapa. Hapa. Eh.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times.
Halafu hiyo ikuwe na cobwebs.
Tuko na njaa hatujakula. Tupe kiberiti kwa hapa. Kiberiti iko hapa.
Sasa ndo lini? Itawai waka ukiwakisha hivyo?
Si ndio ina hapa. Kuja kuoka kwa moto sasa. Sawa. Si ndio?
Imewaka?
Nifungie mguu hapa. Mundani ndani uko juu mimi unanifungia hapa. Na mattress iko. Lakini siwezi na huku peke yangu. We. Harriet, say something. Unafanya nini? What are you doing?
Lighting the fire.
You guys, we are making some fire here. We want to cook ugali. The tenant left some maize flour, so we are going to make use of it by cooking ugali.
Yeah, because the economy is too.
The economy is too high, and we are hungry.
Yeah.
So the madam is here doing this. Beatrice is here slaying, as you can see. The camera woman. The camera woman is there. Subscribe. Thank you. At the hand, she's smiling, waiting for food.
I'm so hungry.
Hey, Jebet too, she is so hungry. So, Jebet is there. Beatrice is there. Harriet is here. Making sure that the fire is on. Where is our sufuria and water? Jebet is in charge of the sufuria and water. Then after that, we are going to look for vegetables. So guys, this is the maize flour which the tenant left behind. We are going to use this to cook ugali. We are so hungry. The fire is ready as well. And that's the view. That's the view. You can see plantation there. We have rich neighborhood, so we are going to be rich as well. There is somebody. Harriet's handkerchief on the fence. More rich neighborhood on the other side. So yeah, we are here. Our entrance gate. Hey, Beatrice, a slaying queen, is there seated waiting for food. Me, you can see me on that window. I'm the one creating content creator. Our water is here. See you when our water is ready. So, hey, they are here. Wameset bars. Hi. You want to eat?
We are very hungry.
You are very hungry. What time did you come here? Eh? At 12. Now you want to eat ugali with what? Do you have vegetables?
With the roiko.
With Royco. You guys, these people want to eat the tenants' things. Aki, we are sorry, but we have to do this. Hey, hi. Wambie, you are on TikTok as who?
By the way, guys, watch us on TikTok as Beatrice K023 and like our videos.
Okay. Well, Harriet, do we have even the cooking stick?
You're going to improvise.
So we are going to use the bottle to cook. Wow, hey.
You improvise what you have, right?
So tutatumia hiyo chupa kupika ugali. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, well, here ni mambo bad. We must eat, but this water is not enough, you guys. Do you know we have some people from Nyanza? This water is not enough. Jebet, mulakulanga ugali. By the way we eat, can you please add water? The fries are hot. Or you are keeping more for next time? Because mimi nisiposhiba naenda kukula na nyama. What to cook ugali?
Steak.
Hey, hey.
Steak.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What?
Steak.
It's
Am I done cooking?
yes. Cheese. The water is ready. Come and cook. Nani? And then who else? Na mimi namalizia. Mimi ni kukula tu. Kuna kitambaa pale ya kushika. So guys, as you can see, this is our cooking sticker. We had to improvise. So the chef is here cooking without vegetables. We are going to, as we go, we are going to get some vegetables on the way. Ongezea. Imagine hapo ni tao by the way.
Lazima uregister. Kulikuwa na wararo mahali hapo.
Imagine me waipikanga pia.
Ndio kai.
Kwenda.
Leo siku walikuwa wengi wanawaangalia. Na nani alikuwa na watoa nini?
Tunajitoa.
Tunajitoa. Moto inasimama.
Harriet, it's your turn.
Yes.
Harriet, it's your turn. Kila mtu anapika hapo. Hii kwa mwingine pia anaingia hapo.
Sifai kuingia hapo kwa kisha moto.
Unaweza ingia tu.
Kuja uone.
Enda. It is your turn. Hapo chupi. Hiyo kitambaa msiangushe kwa unga. It's your turn.
Jesus. Ndio imepika hadi. Sana eza like yuni yangu. Hiyo kali itakuwa tamu sana.
Imepikwa with 4 people.
Na moto yani.
Chebet says you come with the nini? The packing dish.
Haven't sasa niacho ipike ive.
Uchapika wewe.
Mimi nashomo.
He.
Hata ni kidogo.
Hautashiba.
Ni kidogo sana. Mkikula mmalize, hata mtatembea. Leo kutafuta pesa si rahisi. Si kuhasa.
Si rahisi. So guys, we are going to bake this ugari here in this dish. Sindio Jebet? And then after packing tunapeleka wapi? So we are going to look for mboga as we go out. So we are going to eat as we go. So the ugari is ready. See you when we get the vegetables. So guys, as we cook, we also enjoy the views of the plains here.
I love this.
Gani?
Ila kukula mafuta.
Anasema eating.
Na usichomwe. Sina usichome mwenzako.
Jebet.
Sitaki kuchoma. Itabidi tufunge ingine na nini. Tutafinyilia.
Tabeba na karatasi. Hii uchumi.
Hatuachi chakula.
Na hiyo sufuria itang'ara kweli.
Tunarudi soon. Weka hapo.
Tunaona fire.
Mama ni hivyo. Sianguke.
Vinyilia. Babu yangu ipate mchanga.
Tunakula hivyo. Ale tunaona aje. So guys, see you when we are going to get our vegetables. So we had to pack because we don't have vegetables. So we are going to buy some meat on the road. Then we eat. Oh, girl. Atasema. Mulika nyama peke. Ugali na leta. Na nini Jebet? Ulipika nyama? Na hujabeba? Nini leo tukungoje na sisi? Hata